Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to unblock a number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer. And now it doesn't really matter if you'll be on the recents or contacts or whatever, just enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Depending on which section you were before, and this option which we are looking for, the harassment filter, will be in different position, but no worries. Just enter this harassment filter, and as you can see here we've got the blacklist. So let's tap on it and tap on this plus icon. And now we can simply enter the number we want to block, tap on add, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Of course, you can tap on it and customize it, so change the number and so on. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this trash bin icon. And thanks to this, of course, your device will again allow the incoming calls or text messages from this number. If it will stay on the blacklist, then your device will simply block the incoming calls and text messages from it. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your INFINIX Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.